Let's tear into this one of these pallets here. You guys know the deal. We're fitting to make some money with it. I'll invite you along, and I hope you have a good time watching. Storage unit loaded with other switches. We're gonna keep doing this until I can finally get some money in my pocket and none of the bills catch me. And that might be never. HP. Scrap, that's what that is, scrap. All crap, it's scrap. Just gonna have a peek. Oh my god, look at all these waters, dude. Holy crap. I'm gonna call the wife out here and show her all these cases of water. I mean, I can't do nothing with it. I got the kids in the truck. Holy shit. Oh yeah, we're gonna get something out of here today. Here's some wire, I see some copper. Yep. Let's see what kind of wire we got here. I'll probably take number one on this, but I'm gonna get in there and get that copper. I smell meat in there. Yep, down in the corner. Ugh, meat. Deer meat. Oh, all kind of goodies in here. Shoot, man. I think after moving 54 lights I would be not able to move, but still surviving. This is what gets me started. Rottler. Yummy. Yummy. Oh yeah. Here, we'll borrow this box. We'll take this. crap. Yes, I got hand sanitizer in the truck. Oh, I still had a little bit of water in it. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, I keep hearing it moving around down there. Oh, there it is. Okay. Let's see what we got going on here. Come here, prick. Yeah. Oh, you scared me. This is what we got out of the dumpster. Nice big juicy faucet. This one's actually heavy, so that's probably going to be brass. We got this piece with some shark bites on it and brass, a couple brass knobby jobbies, a little bit of a faucet. Yep, some more brass and copper, some brass nuts, and some kind of gas controlled thermostat or something. I don't know. But anyway, you've already seen me load. The back of this truck was full of lights, and the trailer was full of lights, and the damn storage unit's full of lights. So guess what the next video is? Tearing down lights, copper transformers. So I got 54 of them, guys.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Day we hustle, but the night we know that they ride or die. I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Day we hustle, but the night boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. My name came up a lot of sounds, more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot of sounds, more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. OG boy. Day we hustle, but the night we OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Day we hustle, but OG boy. Know that they ride or die. Cold, these brothers my guys. Know that they fly. Know that they fly. Know that they ride or die. Cold, these brothers my guys. Know that they fly. Know that they fly. Know that they ride or die. CJ Ike, they ain't no longer about. They ain't no longer about. They ain't no longer about. CJ Ike, they ain't no longer about. Know that they ride or die. I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Day we hustle, but the night we boys by my side. Know that they ride or die.
Alright, this is going to be my plumbing dumpster trash can. This thing gets full, I'll process it. That's about almost a week, I'd guess. Well, no, not really. Saturday today, and today's Thursday. When it gets full, we'll process that in a video, guys, and see how much the plumbing dumpster made us in like a couple weeks. I will add that once that light comes over that building right there, that's it. We're done for the day, because 105 degrees every day just about. I'm just gonna add that part into the video. Alright guys, we picked up those switches on Monday. The profit on those were $1,200. We spent $300 getting them. That leaves us $900 total. That's what we made off of those. But I didn't add in all these extras that we got. This stuff goes to board sort. I got to clean it up. There's another 100, probably 200 bucks almost. Now today, we went to the okay-ish paying yard. They're giving me $323 on copper number 2 and $210 a net ton. So we only took in 24 of them lights because it's too hot to keep going. I work 3-4 hours a day and I'm ready to quit. It's hot right now. Now in the winter it's a different story. So I still have 30 lights to do, and I have these aluminums. Clean these off. Just drill those rivets out real fast. Probably, since we had 78 pounds of copper, these will be 78 pounds as well, because it evens out. 3 pound something each copper transformers and 3 pound aluminum outer casing. So we got 30 more lights to go. We'll do this in a video. We'll be impressed. Get it? Pressed? He got stupid jokes. Alright, till the next one, smash that thumbs up. Give this damn video a share. Alright. Mad love, y'all.